Hello and welcome to this vStellar guide. In today's video, we'll be talking about locators. Locators are essential components in test automation used to identify and interact with web elements. In this video, we'll guide you how to add them in vStellar. Now, there are several ways to fetch locators for web elements. You can manually inspect the elements on a web page or use plugins, but in this video, we'll show you a simple and straightforward way to fetch locators and input them into vStellar. Navigate to the locators data directory as shown in the video. You have two options: to provide locators either via CSV or Excel. For this video, we'll focus on using Excel. Let's go ahead and open the Excel file. In this Excel workbook, you can create multiple sheets. We have already created some sheets for the video. This Excel sheet is where we'll be providing all our locators. The file has 3 columns: the locator name, the locator value, and the locator type. Next, we need to fetch a locator from a website. For this example, let's head over to the GitHub website. We're going to create a locator for one of the elements here. Right-click on the element you want to create a locator for and select Inspect. vStellar provides 8 different ways to locate elements that are mentioned below. The most accurate way is by using their ID if it is available. Copy the value of ID and return it to the Excel file. In the first column, we'll add a name for the locator. You can type any name you want for it. In the second column, paste the ID that we copied. And in the third column, specify the locator type as ID. Let's do this again with another locator, this time using XPath. We'll go back to the website, right-click on another element, and select Inspect. Then, click Copy XPath from the options. We'll switch back to our Excel file, give this locator a name, paste the XPath in the second column, and set the locator type to XPath. Just a quick tip: when naming locators, make sure not to add any spaces between words for consistency. In vStellar, when adding locators, you'll need to follow a specific format like this. Here you can see multiple examples for creating different types of locators. If you'd like to use CSV files instead of Excel, you'll find the CSV folder under the locator data directory. You just have to place commas between locator name, locator value, and locator type. One important difference is that with CSV, you can't have multiple sheets in a single file like you can with Excel. Instead, you'd need to create a separate CSV file for each sheet. So, how do you decide whether to use Excel or CSV? That decision can be made in the config.json file of your project. Inside the file, you'll find 2 fields: default input format and input format. If you choose CSV as the input format, it will take priority over the default input format, Excel format. And that's all for this video. We've walked you through how to create locators in Stellar using Excel, and we touched on the CSV option. Now you're ready to confidently add locators for your web elements in vStellar.